I would like to introduce to you the Master's degree in Pharmacological Research from the Autónoma University of Madrid in Spain. Our university is one of the most prestigious public universities in Spain, and our Master has been running for 15 years now. In the first semester of our one-year Master, you will be taught all the insights of pharmacological research, from basic pharmacology and human physiology to project design, methodology and interpretation of results in preclinical and clinical studies. In the second semester, the training will be more research-focused. You will choose a specialization module and the lectures will discuss the latest advances in that field. Besides, you will perform a wet lab research project to complete your master thesis. All the teachers are knowledgeable professors from our university and other institutions from whom you will receive top-class theoretical education. Besides, they are all renowned scientists with ongoing research and will be happy to supervise your master thesis. There is the option of enrolling on the animal models capacitation subject and end up with a valid certificate to work with and design animal models. Our university is part of the European Civis Alliance, and therefore the Master frequently has opportunities for our students to enroll in academic activities in European universities with travel costs covered. To apply to our Masters, you will need to provide a bachelor's degree in a health science matter and a valid B2 English certificate. If you have any inquiry regarding the application process, please feel free to contact the postgrad admin office of our university. For any doubts of the Master's mission, subjects and organization, please send us an email.
In the second semester, the training received is much more practical and research-oriented. We offer a course on techniques in experimental pharmacology and 2 elective subjects, either training for animal experimentation or in silico drug design. Furthermore, the students will choose a specialization module dealing with cardiovascular pharmacology or neuropsychopharmacology as 2 major fields of pharmacological research. Also, our professors will offer the opportunity to complete the master's thesis in the research laboratories at the School of Medicine or at research institutes in hospitals such as La Princesa, La Paz or Fundación Jiménez Díaz. The students will have a broad list of projects to choose from, some more preclinical and some other with a clinical focus. Besides, they will also be able to look for additional supervisors from our university and all its associated research institutes.
In the Cardiovascular Pharmacology module, the subject therapeutic targets in cardiovascular pharmacology will discuss current research carried out by clinical, basic and translational researchers, leaders in different areas of interest. These lectures will be complemented with various journal clubs to promote interaction among the students, as well as practical simulation sessions for preclinical studies of cardiovascular function. Classes, of course, will be taught in small groups, facilitating learning and student participation.
The Neuropsychopharmacology module focuses on developing new treatments for diseases of the central nervous system, such as Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, stroke, ALS or depression. Over 3.5 weeks, students will attend 30 expert-led classes, participate in interactive sessions, group discussions and individual presentations. They will analyze preclinical and clinical models, explore experimental techniques and develop research plans. The goal is to train students to effectively communicate scientific knowledge and apply it in both research and educational environments. This program prepares future researchers to tackle unmet medical needs in disorders of the central nervous system by identifying novel therapeutic targets.
I am an assistant professor here at the UAM. When I applied for the Masters in Pharmacological Research, I had not received any formal training in pharmacology, but I was eager to explore how drugs function, covering both their mechanisms of action and their development and commercialization. I wanted to gain a deeper insight into the entire process, from drug discovery to market approval. Driven by a strong commitment to a career in research, I looked for a practical training in advanced research techniques and wanted to enhance my skills in experimental design and data analysis to establish a solid foundation for a career in biomedical research. One of the key aspects I appreciated about the Masters in Pharmacological Research was the strong balance between theoretical knowledge and hands-on laboratory training. If I had to highlight one element, it would definitely be the focus on pharmacodynamics and pharmacokinetics, concepts that were entirely new to me at the time. Additionally, the practical experience I gained in electrophysiology was invaluable. It really helped me complete my PhD thesis and ultimately pursue a doctoral position abroad. Looking back at my journey, I can confidently say that I would highly recommend this master's program. It provided me with a strong foundation that has been essential in getting me to where I am today.
Currently, I am an industrial PhD student working with Immediate ESL, and I am pursuing a PhD in Pharmacology and Physiology program in the Faculty of Medicine at Universidad Autónoma de Madrid. I was looking for a master's program that would expand my knowledge of pharmacology while also giving me the skills and experience needed to move into the pharmaceutical industry. I wanted to build a strong foundation in drug development, mechanisms of action, and translational research, all while connecting with professionals who could help open future opportunities. It was important to find a program that balanced theory with hands-on experience, preparing me to contribute to innovative research in the field. The master's program offers a strong learning environment with most faculty members being highly capable and providing a solid foundation in drug development and translational research. Beyond the coursework, it creates valuable career opportunities by helping students build connections in the field. Many graduates go on to pursue a PhD as the program equips them with essential research skills for advanced studies. With its balance of theory, hands-on experience, and networking, it's a great choice for those looking to advance in pharmacology and pharmaceutical sciences.
Currently, I am working as a researcher assistant, being part of the Pharmacological laboratory led by Professors Concepción Peiro Vallejo and Carlos Sánchez Ferrer. In addition, I am pursuing a PhD in the Pharmacology and Physiology program at the School of Medicine, the Universidad Autónoma de Madrid. When I applied for this master's degree, my goal was to specialize in pharmacology to pursue a career in research or industry within this field. I chose this program because it was one of the few official master's degrees related to pharmacology that offer the necessary knowledge and the opportunity to enroll in a PhD program afterwards. I will emphasize that this program offers the opportunity to join an ongoing research project laboratory for several months. Here, you can develop not only research, technical, methodological, and science-writing skills, but also essential soft skills for a future career as a scientist, such as teamwork and the ability to effectively solve any problem that may arise.
If you want to get the training required to perform pharmacological research, especially if you would like to pursue a PhD in this area, our master is what you're looking for. Don't think twice. Apply now.